Good morning, RGS students, and especially my explorers. Now, I hope you are saying good morning to me also. You know I love those morning greetings. Now, we are going to talk about ice cream today. Who doesn't love ice cream? I love ice cream. You know, even if you can't eat ice cream, you could always maybe eat like frozen custard or shaved ice. It's all good. So if you can't eat ice cream for some reason, pretend like our project is about shaved ice. That's always good. Now, if you can see behind me, I'm going to move my camera just a little bit. My room is the ice cream parlor. And right here, I have some ice cream cones, and that's how I teach primary colors and secondary colors. And then I have my big ice cream cone, which is the color spectrum or the rainbow colors. So as we go along with different projects, I will be discussing primary colors and secondary colors. Now, as we go back, our vocab words today, we start at the top, triangle, curved line, texture, pattern, imagination, and fundraiser. Ooh, we'll talk more about that. And then if you see this very long ice cream cone, we are going to be making an ice cream cone today. And you're going to use your imagination and create your very own ice cream flavor. Look at that one. Yeah, that student made cat ice cream. I love it. So creative. We have some fun sprinkle ice cream. And up here we have rainbow ice cream. So, ice cream cones. Ooh, yummy. They're the best. All right, boys and girls. I'll be back in a minute, and we are going to start making our very own ice cream cone. Okay, boys and girls, take out your art packet. And in your art packet, you'll see a brown piece of, it's like a half sheet of paper, but there's a texture on it. Ooh. And then a half a sheet of light green or like a mint green, pastel green. I'm going to show you how I got that texture. I'm going to grab just a piece of purple right now. And this is called a crimper. Oh, you might have seen that before. You put your paper in between the rollers here, and then you twist. Twist, twist, twist. Oh. Now, as kindergartners, if you were here, you might remember doing this last year. But that's how we get that crimped look. Okay? And it looks like a waffle cone. So I thought, oh, that's perfect for our cone. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to make my ice cream cone. So what you're going to need today, your 2 pieces of paper. You may use markers. Ooh, markers are fun. I'm going to definitely grab mine. Oh, I love markers. Wait. I also need my glue stick and my scissors. Okay, so 2 pieces of paper, markers, glue stick and scissors. All right, I'm gonna flip my camera around and I'll be back. Okay, boys and girls, now our first step the cone. Now, I haven't seen very many square ice cream cones, so we need to make this a giant triangle. That was our first vocab word, triangle. What I would like you to do, put a dot right in the middle of the bottom of your paper. Then you can use a ruler or you can just draw from the dot to the corner. It's up to you. If you use a ruler, you'll have a very, very straight line. Oh, that's nice. Otherwise, you can just draw it with your hand. That's fine too. And then you will cut right on that line. You might even have enough of this leftover paper to make a small ice cream cone. Look what you can do. Ooh. So if you wanted to, you could make 2 baby cones later. Okay, so I have my cone. It is a triangle and it has texture. That means we can touch it and it's all raised. It is textured. And you can also see there's a pattern. I have diagonal lines one direction and diagonal lines another direction, and they repeat. When something repeats, it creates a pattern. Next, we get to make our ice cream. So what I want you to do, set your paper right on top of your cone like this, so you know about how big to make your scoop. All right. And what you're going to do, it looks like an ear. You're going to make a C on that side, and then a backward C on that side. So you have a curved line or a C on both sides. I think it looks like ears. I think it looks like I'm trying to make ears on my ice cream. Next, you're going to make a curved or rainbow line right over the top. Look it. Now you know your ice cream scoop is going to be the perfect size for your cone. Okay? I'm going to move my cone out of the way. Now you are going to make an upside down bumpy line. So watch. I'm going to go up and then curve down like the letter U, and then back up, and then back up, and then back up, and I'm just going to go up and connect. So it looks like an upside down bumpy line. If you even wanted to flip your paper over and go bumpy, 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 bumpy to make that bumpy line, you definitely can. Now, you have your scoop. And this is the fun part. You get to decide what kind of ice cream you would like to make. Ooh. The first thing I'm going to do is trace my pencil line with my marker. Oh. Now you could make any flavor you want. Like one of our vocab words says, imagination. Oh, that means I want you to use your imagination when you are making your ice cream cone. Now, I have 3 dogs at home, and their names are Bessie Belle, Benelli Rose, and Remy June. So if I were to design my own ice cream, I think that I would like to make a special ice cream cone
for my doggies. I think they would love their very own ice cream. Now, if you have a cat or a fish or a bird, they might like their very own ice cream flavor too. I might put some little shapes also all over in my ice cream. Maybe these little shapes are chicken or liver flavored. Oh, they would love that. And we know doggies love bones. Now, I don't have to color everything brown just because I drew it brown. Maybe I want to color it with orange or green. I can also go back and maybe just add some little orange sprinkles all over my cone. And then go back and color. Ooh, I think these are definitely chicken flavor. Benelli and Bessie and Remy, they will love their very own ice cream. Now, when you're done, you're going to cut out your cone, or your ice cream scoop rather. Cut out. Now, our last vocab word today was fundraiser, because our next project is going to be the Art to Remember fundraiser project. And I will need you to actually bring that back into school for me. So you could have a parent send it to me or drop it off in the office for me. And that will also be an ice cream themed project. And I'll tell you more about that next time. Now, I've discussed all of the vocab words except curved line. Now, just a reminder, remember this was a curved line or rainbow line. Now, I'm going to just put glue on the top of my cone like that. And then look it, let's set it right there. Ooh, yummy. That looks good enough for my puppies to eat. I don't think I would like it, but they're gonna love it. Okay, boys and girls, I can't wait to see your very awesome imagination ice cream cones. Bye, boys and girls. Have a great day.